Hi, this is Mary Spear with one21.com, and today we're talking about how to fix your primary email on Facebook as your Facebook email. In order to change your primary email on Facebook, you have to at least have one email. And so what you do is you go down to your settings, account settings, and you'll see where it says email. So go to edit, and it gives you the different options on what you'll be able to set as your primary email. In my case, I have these 3 emails here, so I could select any one of those. As you can see, your Facebook email itself is not an option because Facebook needs to be able to contact you through a means other than through Facebook. And for that reason, you're not able to use your xyz@facebook.com as your primary email, because then it's like emailing itself. So you're not able to do that per se. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.